All right, so it's official. I can now tell you guys that I am officially sponsored by Eurocompulsion, and what better way than to celebrate this than to unbox their 1446 Plus Turbo, which just arrived today. Now, I know there's been a ton of people who thought I was sponsored, people spreading rumors, people commenting on past videos saying, hey, Eurocompulsion sponsor him. So thank you all to people who even said that. But now it's official, we can say it. What does this mean for the channel though? Actually, it's not going to change anything. People always have this stigma on like, oh, that guy's sponsored, he's going to say this, he's going to say that. Honestly, nothing is going to change. I have done everything that I've done as far as the 124 Spider from stock, phase 1, phase 2. I did that because I enjoyed it. Eurocompulsion obviously enjoyed what I've been doing too, and now they're going to allow me to keep doing this type of data testing and keep moving forward and modifying the car so I could bring this content to you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and it's going to be a little bit easier now that I'll have some parts. And I always like to call this more of a partnership than a so-called sponsorship, but I know that's the word people use and like to go by, so more or less sponsorship, partnership, whatever you want to call it. I'm hopefully going to create content that helps everyone as far as the community and everything. So let's go ahead, unbox this 1446 Plus. I haven't even opened it yet. Let's see what she looks like. Peep that only turbo shirt. You don't gotta pay monthly to get that one. So we got the turbo install instructions. Ready, let's see what's under here. Woo! Look at that. Look at that beauty. See, it's funny, it's called a big turbo. These cars, I mean, these turbos on our cars, no matter how big you want to call it, they're fairly small anyway. But I am super pumped to get this on. I know recently I was talking to Brett over at Auto Recombi just through Messenger, and I know he just got a 1446 on his car, and without even changing the tune, he's telling me that he's seeing 21 plus PSI to redline. That is freaking awesome, because I know personally with me with the stock turbo, as quick as my car feels and everything, I'm dropping off to like 15 by redline. So knowing that this thing is going to hold over 20 pounds of boost to redline, that's next level. That's amazing. That's what I'm excited about. This turbo is not about pushing, I would say, that much more boost than the numbers than a factory turbo would like peak out, so to say, but it's about holding the power much longer by holding the boost much higher. In other words, instead of 15 psi by redline, I'm hoping to be pushing over 20 psi with this. So I'm not going to go too crazy. This is more of just a simple unboxing. The thing looks just absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to get this on. And of course, as you guys all know, when this thing goes on, just like all the other things, I'm going to be doing comparisons, videos. I actually still have another video that has to come out. I went with Dan from Track Day, another big YouTuber from New Jersey. We went to an airport, I went with him. He took my girlfriend's Mazda 3, did some data testing, took it around the track over there that he has. But I also took my 124 Spider Abarth with a phase 2 Eurocompulsion tune against his 124 Spider Abarth with Eurocompulsion phase 2 tune. His is automatic, mine is manual. The results were pretty impressive. That's going to be coming up pretty soon on the channel. We have from 40 to 100 roll races. We have some quarter-mile times. The numbers will speak for themselves. The launch wasn't great, but the numbers are pretty damn impressive for what I got. And Dan did some DA correction as far as the weather and everything. Yeah, let's just say with the DA correction, I trapped just over 100 miles per hour in the quarter. I'm pretty sure that's the first 124 Spider on a stock turbo on pump gas to accomplish that. Although it wasn't at a legit track, it was DA corrected, but it was on an airstrip, the next best thing. He had a V-Box, I had a Draggy. Again, that stuff is to come. Very excited to show you guys those numbers and the videos. I have a few videos in car, outside of car. That'll be to come. So hopefully you guys are excited so I can keep producing content for you guys, keep bringing this type of data and video. You guys let me know if you want to see something specific. As always, subscribe if you want to see more. Hit up drivendistrict.com if you want to pick up some merch, some performance parts. I'm going to keep trying to add more for you guys. And who knows, some of you guys might know I bought a 135i recently. I might be on the verge of possibly selling that. maybe sticking with some other Italian cars so I can stick with Eurocompulsion. Maybe I can get another car that I could tune with them. I have something in mind. If you're a car enthusiast, you might know what it is. I'll say it's not an Alfa Romeo 4C. Mikey Turbos has that. But let's say it's another Alfa Romeo. And if it's not the 4C, what's the other really good performance car they have? Drop a comment below. Let me know if you think I should get that in the future. Catch you guys soon.